Welcome to the Learning English channel. Business English. Improve your performance. Avoiding distractions. Hello. In this video, we learn about improving workplace work performance and provide insights into the strategies involved at work.
As we decided at the last lesson, every day before our lesson finishes, we discuss one of these skills to improve your performance at the workplace. This time, we explain avoiding distractions. It's a critical skill for maintaining productivity and focus.
Mr. Jordan, distractions can be a real challenge, especially in a busy office environment. What can we do to minimize them?
Absolutely, Damien. Distractions come in various forms, and they can disrupt our workflow. Let's go over some strategies to help you avoid distractions. First, finding a quiet workplace, if possible, can make a significant difference. A peaceful environment can boost concentration.
That makes sense. Sometimes, though, noise is unavoidable.
You're right. In those situations, it's a good idea to turn off your phone or put it on silent mode if it's not essential for your tasks. This can help you avoid being interrupted by calls or notifications.
I'll keep that in mind. What about when I'm working on my computer?
When working on a computer, it's essential to close unnecessary tabs. Having too many windows open can lead to distraction and reduced efficiency. Also, remember to take short breaks every 20 to 30 minutes to prevent restlessness and maintain focus.
Got it. Anything else?
Yes, practicing mindfulness can be highly effective. It involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. This practice can help you stay focused on your work and ignore distractions that might be lurking around.
Mindfulness sounds like a useful skill. What about setting goals?
Setting clear goals is a great strategy. When you have a specific objective in mind, it becomes easier to stay on track and resist distractions.
And how about rewarding oneself?
Rewarding yourself is a fantastic motivator. Once you achieve a goal or complete a task, treat yourself to something enjoyable. It keeps you motivated and helps maintain your focus.
Thank you, Mr. Jordan. These tips should really help me improve my workplace performance by avoiding distractions.
You're welcome, Damien. Avoiding distractions takes practice, but it's a skill you can develop and refine over time. Remember, it's an essential component of productivity and success in the business world. Keep working on it, and you'll see the benefits in your professional life.
I will, Mr. Jordan. Thanks for the valuable advice.
You're welcome. I'm confident that you'll be able to avoid distractions and improve your productivity. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.